Every time I come, they always take care of me. You know, I call in with my random questions and they spend like 10 to 15 minutes on the phone educating and reiterating the things I don't understand. There's thousands of different shops to take your car to. I prefer A Plus Japanese, especially when it comes to getting my checkups and all of this preventative maintenance job. One thing that I like to ask people is, do you like what you do? If you enjoy what you do, then the customers will have a much pleasant experience.